Good evening, my dear student. Today I am going to teach you another important topic in the lesson, that is light, reflection, and refraction. So, how image is formed by a plane mirror, and what are the characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror? So, any object, if they stand on in front of the mirror, just imagine it is a mirror. Any object, if they stand in front of the mirror, or any object if you keep in front of the mirror, so this image, this object image we can see on the mirror. How means light ray will fall on the object, and that light ray will be reflected on the surface of the mirror. Then in the mirror we can see the image, this object image we can observe. And what are the characteristics of this image formed in a plane mirror? Let us see one by one. Let us take, dear student, one plane mirror. So this is one plane mirror. Imagine it is one plane mirror, and it is reflecting surface of the plane mirror, and it is non-reflecting surface of the plane mirror. Whatever may be image we can see here only, and this part only will reflect the light rays. So imagine that I have kept one object AB like this. Object will be like this only. If you keep one object in front of the mirror, plane mirror, we can see object here. How is there? That only we can see. And the size of the object, how much is there? That image height also will be same. So image height and object height will be same in case of plane mirror. So clearly understand, my dear students, see, image formed by a plane mirror is virtual and direct. So here, this image we can get on the screen of the mirror, but we can't get somewhere. So this is virtual. The image can be get only on the surface of the reflecting surface of the mirror. We can't get on the other screen. So that image is virtual image, not a real image, and it is direct. How is it? Only is there. So A, how is it? Only it will be. B will be here only. And second characteristics is image distance is equal to object distance. So this image, this object distance, if you keep near, you can see this object's image in the mirror near you can feel. Object you take far away. So here object distance between mirror and object is what we call object distance, and the distance between mirror and image is what we call, that is image distance. If you take this object far away, so image will also go backside, but backside means not its backside, that it will form here. So we feel that object is also going backside. If you take object far away, so image will also go far away. That is image distance is equal to object distance. And the third characteristic is image size is equal to object size. This size or height, how much is it? That much only height will be in the case of in the image height. The fourth characteristics of a image formed by a plane mirror is image follows a left right reversal or a laterally inverted, means object left part will be visible on the right part of the mirror, and the right part of the object will be visible on the opposite of that one. Right part of the object will visible on the left part of the mirror, and the left part of the object will be appear on the right part of the mirror. That I'll show you by one image of the. Look at, dear student, I have taken one image, one mirror, a plane mirror, and one object I took, it is a marker. So marker image will come in this mirror. So this is object height, this is object height or object size is same as image height in the mirror, and it is virtual and erect. Erect means how is there, horizontally is there. See this cap of black up is there. So in the image also it is up only is there, and this letters and all downwards is there, it is downwards only is there. So it is virtual and erect. How is there, horizontally is there. So if you increase object distance, image distance also increasing, is nothing but image distance is equal to object distance. If you bring near, image will also come near, and image size is equal to object size. So object size is nothing but image size, and image follows left right reversal. See this caps. Look at here student, it is mirrors right part and it is mirrors left part. It is objects, so it is for us it is right is there. So this image, it is image. So look at here student, it is cap is black cap is object left side is there. It looking towards mirrors right side like this, and other part of the this object is looking on the left part. So right part is looking on the left part and the left part looking on the right part. So this is image follows left right reversal, or you can say it is laterally inverted. Okay. So dear student, follow these 4 steps. So if it will come in the examination, you read these 4 steps, you will get full marks. So try to understand, try to keep it in mind, don't by heart it. So it is theoretically not as well as practical. You can feel it and understand, dear student.